This is an introduction to Microsoft Teams. Let's begin with what is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform within Office 365. In Teams, users can use chat instead of email, collaborate on files in real time, customize the interface by adding notes and applications, and communicate with other users by chat, audio, or video conferencing. To access Microsoft Teams, you'll log into the MyCoyote portal, click the Collaborate tile, and launch Teams. Please note that if it is your first time launching Teams, a message will appear asking if you would like to download the application. If you would like to proceed with downloading the Teams app, click the Get App button, run the application from your programs list, and launch it. Another way you can access Microsoft Teams is directly through Office 365. You will need to use your CSUSB credentials to sign in, Coyote ID, and password. Then proceed. Personally, my preferred method of using Teams is through the desktop client. There are additional features that are only available on the desktop client, such as background blur and background pictures for your meetings and video calls. Once you launch Microsoft Teams, you will be taken to your Teams gallery view. You'll notice the grid layout. All of the teams that you have created or have joined will be listed here. Note the ellipsis to the right, which gives you more options. You can hide your team, you can manage your team, you can add a channel, leave the team, and much more. If you hide your team, you can unhide it by scrolling down to the bottom of your gallery, selecting the Hidden Teams option, and then you can restore your hidden team. There are many options worth exploring. Please take the time to do so. At the top right-hand corner, you'll notice the Join or Create a Team button. Here you have the option to create a team, join a team with a code, or you may also join any of the teams that are public. Please note that public teams are available for anyone within our organization to join. No permission is required to join a public team. Let's select the Create a Team tab. You'll see the 4 team types that are available. First, we have the class team type, which is ideal for teachers and students collaborating on group projects, assignments, and more. This team has unique permissions for teachers and students. As owner of the team, teachers can assign and review work and create channels and files. Teachers are able to moderate students' conversation and who can post where. Each class team is linked to its own OneNote class notebook. Students are able to collaborate in group work channels, share files, and turn in assignments. Next, we have the Professional Learning Community team, which allows teachers and educators to connect regularly to collaborate. This team can be formed around interest area, grade levels, and across subjects. Team members can share files and collaborate in this space. Each team is linked to its own notebook for further collaboration. Next, we have the staff team, which allows for staff to easily share information and work together on school-wide initiatives. With integrated OneNote notebooks, each staff member can access and contribute to both collaborative and private spaces. Each staff member team will have a staff leader as the owner, who can then add and remove other staff members. We also have the Other team type. This allows for students and school employees to collaborate in interest groups and clubs. This team can have any combination of students and school staff. Team members share equal read-write permissions unless the team owner alters the settings. Explore these team types and choose the one that will work best for you. For this demonstration, I'll select the staff team type, and I will name it Microsoft Teams Intro. You may add a description if you wish. Next, we move on to our privacy settings. You have the option to either make your team public, which means that anyone in your organization can join, or you can make it private. For private teams, owners manage certain settings for the team. Owners can add and remove members, they can add guests, they can change the team settings, and handle administrative tasks. There can be multiple owners in a team. Public teams are visible to everyone in the team's gallery. Anyone can join a public team without having to get approval from the team owner. Let's make this team private. Now that I created my team, I can begin adding the team members that I will be collaborating with. Once you type in the person's name, it will pull from our campus directory. I will add one member for this example. Notice that I have the option to make my team member an owner or a member of the team. I'll select Member. Please note that team owner is the person who creates the team. Team owners can make any member of their team a co-owner when they invite them to the team or at any point after they've joined the team. The team members are the people who have been invited to join the team. Now we are in the dedicated space for my team and I to collaborate in. On the top, you'll find some tabs. The first tab is Post. All of the conversations, messages, and @mentions, and everything that happens in our team will reflect in this tab. I'll select the New Conversation tab to send a quick message. Notice the formatting options, attach files, add emojis, etc. Everyone that is part of this team will be able to view this post. Next, we have the File tab. The File tab is where all the files that have been shared in the channel get stored. You can upload your files from your computer or SharePoint by selecting the Upload option. Select the Word document that you would like to upload. As you can see, I have uploaded a document, and everyone that is part of my team has access to this document now. We also have the Staff Notebook tab, which is a one notebook. You have the option of a blank notebook or to choose from an existing notebook. Select your options, and then your notebook will be available for you to use with your team. The next tab is the Add a tab, which is a plus sign, which will allow you to bring in any other Microsoft 365 applications into your team. For example, there's Planner, Wiki, OneNote, etc. I've added Wiki to this example. Note that at any time, you can remove any of these applications. Now let's continue with the vertical toolbar that is located on the left-hand side. This bar contains buttons for all the main views of Microsoft Teams. As you select each one, the content of the main content area changes to match the selected view. First, you'll see the Activity button. The Activity log allows users to view notifications and gives a user the ability to filter activities. In addition, users are given notifications of all the events happening in Teams. The next one is the Chat button. This button will allow you to have one-on-one chat or group chats among your colleagues. Click New Chat option and type in the name of the person that you want to chat with. You will be able to select any team member that is in our organization. Next, we have the Teams button, which I have already gone over. The Assignment button is designed for class team types. Once a professor creates a class team and adds the Assignments button will list assignments in order of due date. Next, we have the Calendar button. Please note that Microsoft Teams Calendar automatically syncs with our Outlook calendar. Therefore, if you schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams, it will reflect in Outlook. I'll schedule a meeting. Next, invite your attendees, and then go back to the scheduling assistant to check the availability and type in the rest of your meeting details and save your meeting. Once you're ready to join your meeting, go to the Meeting Details and click the Join Meeting tab to begin. The Calls button will allow you to call anyone from our organization. Type in the person's name, it pulls from our campus directory, and then you can make your call. Once you initiate the call, you have some additional options like device settings, apply backgrounds, recording, etc. Explore these options. The File tab will allow you to upload documents from your computer, OneDrive, and you can store your files in your Teams SharePoint folder. Let's look at the Profiles tab. You can add some customization here by uploading your photo, looking at your settings, and just customizing your platform. Explore these features that I have introduced, and if you have any questions, please contact us at itstrainingservices@csusb.edu. Thank you.